Hi, this is Thomas from Goldmaster Company. This time I'm going to present you our latest product by Mega Detection, the Gold Star 3D Scanner. This Gold Star 3D Scanner has a 8 system to search your prospect target. We have manual long-range locator, we have automatic long-range locator, control long-range locator, Ionic System, Bionic System, live stream, 3D ground scan, and the last one is a Pinpointer. I will show you the parts and components of the Gold Star. We have here the sensor, multi-ground scanner sensor. We have here the handle or shaft. Charger for the main unit. Two antenna for a long-range system. Connector between the sensor and control unit. Another sensor, IMTU, and the VST sensor. Cable for headphone. The headphone. The main unit. Battery. Tablet. And screw for the handle. And this is the box. Shock proof. And that's all the parts of a 3D Gold Star scanner. Now I'm going to use the manual long-range locator. In this system, you can choose your target here. You can set, if you, for example, if you want the gold veins, iron, platinum, silver, or gemstone, diamond. For example, gold ore. Just press this one. Select your distance. Set my distance to 3,000 meters. I will choose my depth, 50 meters. So this report, target gold ore, distance 3,000 meters, depth 50 meters. Now we'll start. See? If this antenna move, just follow. And we have here also the indicator for the balance of the device. If see? Now I'm going to use the auto LRL. Press OK. I will set my distance. You can decrease or increase. The depth 50 meters. Press OK. If this graph moves to the right, you need to move slowly the device. To collect the data on your surroundings. And if this graph goes to the left, you need to move to the left also. Then after that, he will give you a report. So we have here 6% gold, silver 4%, iron 19%, diamond 2%. Now I'm going to show you the control long range locator. I will press this one, okay? I will choose my type of soil. For example, neutral. And I will set my frequency to 5000 Hertz. My distance, let's say I will choose 1100 meters. Depth, I will choose 50 meters. So you will see here, soil type neutral, frequency 5000 Hertz, distance 1100 meters, depth 50 meters. Now we'll start scan. As you see this graph, if the antenna moves to the right, it will give you sound. If the antenna goes to the left, and we have here a compass, and this one, graph for the balance of the device. So you will know if your device too much high or too much low. So you need to be at the center only. Just like that when you're using the device. Now I'm going to show you the Ionic System, how it works. Press OK. This system is to help you to detect the ions that coming from the gold under the ground. See? When I move the device, the light comes like that. It means the ion coming from here or under the ground. That's the use of Ionic System. Now I'm going to show you the Bionic System, how it works. First, I will choose Bionic. Press OK. Now the device asks me button to lock the target. For example, this is my target. If I want to lock the target, see, it's already locked. But if I move the device, there's no signal. That's the use of Bionic System. I use the live stream system to know the object under the ground, metal or cavity. Please check, come here. If red comes, it means there's a metal under the ground. See? Blue color means space or cavity under the ground. Metal, red color. Green means normal ground only. Orange, it's copper, gold like this. But red color means iron. Now I'm going to show you the 3D imaging system, how it works. First, I will choose my lines. I'll put 3. And my steps, I'll put 4. Start point, I will start from the right. Scan mode, manual. Scan pattern, zigzag or parallel, I will choose parallel. Start scan. I will We'll go back from the start. The scan is complete. The device asks me, do you want to save? I will choose yes. Now I'm going to analyze the data what I've taken before or the earlier. Remember, this is a 3D, so you can move like that. Now I'm going to know the depth of my target. It shows here 2.54 meters, 8.08 meters. Blue color means a space or cavity under the ground. The green is a normal ground only. Red color means gold or iron under the ground or metals. If I want to filter to remove the normal ground, it shows only like that. You see only the metals and cavity under the ground. As you see here, the depths, just like that. That's the use of 3D imaging system. Now I'm going to use the pinpointer. This pinpointer is too easy to locate your prospect target before you dig. Please come here. Blue color means space or tunnel under the ground. And when I move, red color means metal. Again, space under the ground. Red color means metal. That's the use of a pinpointer. I hope you enjoyed the simple demonstration of a Gold Star 3D scanner. For more inquiries, just contact this number. Thank you.